Hey, everybody. A question that I get asked a lot is people are asking, what's the benefit of my Google My Business? How do I use my Google My Business? Am I using my Google My Business correctly? And I can't tell you how often I see somebody's business and their Google My Business is just not really optimized or being used correctly. And so your Google My Business, it really has a massive benefit. And in this video, I'm going to show you some key points that you want to consider and you want to make sure you take advantage of so you're maximizing your Google My Business listing for your business. Hey everybody, I'm Richard Cruz, and my agency, WSI Priority Media, we test Google Ads, digital marketing, and video ads every single day. We're learning what's working, what's not working, and in these videos, I teach you the latest cutting-edge strategies that you can use in your business as well too. So let's talk about your Google My Business profile and really what is that benefit of your Google My Business. And so your listing, it's totally free. It is free real estate that's given to you by Google. And again, so often underutilized. And I think for that reason, the mistake that I see people do is that they register their Google My Business listing, they set up the basic information, and then set it and forget it. That's kind of what I see is a typical thing. And for you, you're not going to do that. Google is giving more and more weight to local businesses who optimize their Google My Business profiles. And so here's some of the things that you should do. The first thing you should do is make sure that you take advantage of your category. Your categories are huge. Make sure that they're spot on. Don't put too many categories on there, but at the same time, don't put on too few. Go look through, use Google's keyword tool as you type it in. Type in the variations and it will show you, it'll start to prompt for you what those different categories are. Then start typing your business type inside of Google and look at Google My Business profile listings of your competitors. See what everybody's getting. Come up with your core list of what people are searching for you for and make sure that you put those categories are in there. That's going to make a big difference. The next thing as well too is your images. Look, they tell your story. Have you ever heard that saying, a picture tells 1,000 words? It is so true. Every single image that goes inside of your Google My Business profile should tell a story about your business, who you guys are. You really want it to be able to convey trust and confidence and skill set. And so make sure that you're really doing that. A minimum of 10 images. And not just in your Google My Business profile, but you also want to do that across Yelp, or across Bing, across all the different directories online that allow you to do that. The easy thing is that once you've got your Google My Business ones, you just use those same images over and over again. But really tell a story through your images. A new feature is the posts. And as I scroll through here and I scroll up on my own Google My Business here, you can see these posts here. This one here was for 4 days ago, small business traffic versus conversion. 5 days ago, add negative keywords. Here, customer ID in Google Ads. Every single day, we are posting something new inside of here. You can post information, updates. You can post stories. You can post specials. You're telling Google that you are active, your business is active, you're engaging with customers, you're providing quality content. And here's the cool thing is you can do great SEO by being able to use backlinks, by able to use internal links, links back to your website, links to your content right through here. And it really helps you all the way around the board, not just in your profile, but in your SEO rankings as well too. So make sure that you are really creating regular posts on a regular basis and that you're taking advantage of that space. Again, that's also free real estate. And then the next one, obviously, your reviews. Get your reviews going. Now, when you ask a customer how you did, don't just count on them to come in here and find your reviews. It's very difficult to do. Like right here, I come in here, I have to find you, I have to write a review. And once I click on this, then I'll go ahead and I'll get to that. What an easier thing to do is to go inside your dashboard. It's the same place, by the way, where you do your posts right here. And here it says create a post. When I scroll up right here, if you look, it is get more reviews. and see where it says the get more reviews form right above the get started, the get more reviews, share review form. And I'm going to click on that. And this is going to give me a link. This is your magic bullet. What you want to do here is now you want to be able to use this review link and send it out. Send it out to people and say, hey, let me know how we did. And then what they'll do is they'll just be able to pop it right open, and then they click it in one link. They don't have to go search for you. They don't have to do anything. It will automatically just pop open. Here it is, and there it is. If I can get it up on my screen. Yep. And it's up. I lost it. Anyways, it'll be just right on there through that one link. So make sure that you get that. And then the last thing is get more and better reviews than all of your competition. This is a battle, folks. Your Google My Business listing translates into the 3-pack, the MAPS listing. There's 3 businesses, 4 if somebody's running ads. And people make decisions based on, they don't want to be screwed. They're looking for the best, most reliable business that they can trust. Trust is the currency of this year of 2021 and beyond. And people are drawn to the company that has the most and best reviews. And so make it your mission to use that review link to get more reviews than all of your competition. If you want a really great tool, go to reputationadvantage.com. It's an awesome automation tool. It's really affordable, and you can put your review gathering on autopilot. It's not about cheating reviews. It's about taking your good feedback and automating the requests, and it'll help you get more reviews faster. And you can use this review link with that as well. And so that is my overview on what the benefits are of your Google My Business listing. I hope that you found this information to be helpful. And if you did, do me a favor, leave me a note down at the bottom in the comments and let me know any ahas that you got from this. I love hearing your feedback, especially if it's helpful. And make sure that you like it. Make sure that you subscribe so that you're alerted of future videos like this, and make sure you share as well too. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.